The B9 S4's turbo replacement costs $3,500 per side. That's $7,000 for a maintenance item that shows up around 70,000 miles. And the twin-turbo setup means when one goes, the other follows within 10,000 miles. Every time. This generation S4 trades Audi's bulletproof supercharged V6 for a twin-turbo with 48-volt mild hybrid complexity. 354 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 4.4 seconds, and a maintenance schedule that reads like a mortgage payment plan. Let's start with the purchase price trap. A 2018 B9 S4 cost $56,200 new. Today, $35,000 to $45,000 used. Looks like normal German depreciation until you factor in what happens at 40,000 miles. Carbon cleaning, $1,000. DSG service, $600. Major inspection, $2,000. Spark plugs on a turbo V6, another $500. You're looking at $4,000 in scheduled maintenance hitting all at once. The 80,000-mile service? $2,500 to $3,500. That includes transmission fluid, coolant flush, and the kind of inspection that finds problems you didn't know existed. Insurance runs 25% higher than a regular A4 because aluminum construction and advanced driver assistance calibration means even minor repairs cost major money. Here's what kills owners. Direct injection. Carbon buildup starts showing symptoms at 30,000 miles. Rough idle, reduced power, increased fuel consumption. The fix: walnut shell blasting every 40 to 60,000 miles at $800 to $1,000. Skip it and you're looking at misfires, fuel trim codes, and eventually damaged catalytic converters. The turbos themselves develop wastegate actuator problems between 60 and 80,000 miles. $1,200 to $1,800 per side to fix. When the turbos finally need replacement, you're looking at $3,500 to $5,000 each, including labor. Oil consumption of 1 quart per 1,000 miles? That's normal according to Audi, until it isn't. Want to tune it? Stage 1 gets you 80 to 120 horsepower for about $1,000. But that 48-volt mild hybrid system complicates everything. Your warranty gets flagged with TD1 immediately. State emissions testing becomes a problem, and the stock turbos hit their efficiency limit at 450 wheel horsepower. Push beyond that and you're into $8,000 to $15,000 big turbo territory. The DSG transmission needs specific adaptation for higher torque. Skip that step and you're replacing clutch packs. The intercooler can't handle stage 2 power without upgrading. The fuel system maxes out at 500 wheel horsepower. Every modification cascades into 3 more required upgrades. Daily driving reveals more surprises. EPA claims 24 combined miles per gallon. Real world? 18 to 22 if you baby it. Drive it like you bought an S4 for and you're seeing 14 to 16. Premium fuel only adds $400 to $800 annually, over regular. The sports suspension that makes it handle also makes expansion joints feel like speed bumps. 19-inch wheels look fantastic until you hit your first pothole. $300 to $600 per wheel to replace. Performance tires last 20 to 35,000 miles at $1,200 to $2,000 per set. The aggressive alignment that makes it corner flat also eats the inside edges. Rotate them religiously or buy new ones early. Threepiece.us sees B9 S4 owners constantly searching for wheel fitment solutions that clear the Brembo brakes without spacers. The stock offset and load ratings matter more than most realize. Get it wrong and you're dealing with rubbing, accelerated bearing wear, or worse. Front brake pads need replacement every 25 to 40,000 miles, depending on how you drive. $800 to $1,500 for rotors when they're due. The virtual cockpit looks incredible until a pixel dies and you're staring at a $2,000 gauge cluster replacement. Even the backup camera fails often enough that there's a technical service bulletin. So why do owners keep them? Because when everything works, it's brilliant. The twin turbo torque hits everywhere in the rev range. Quattro turns wet corners into non-events. The interior materials rival cars costing $20,000 more. 0 to 60 in 4.4 seconds never gets old. The virtual cockpit makes every drive feel special. Pre-purchase inspection is non-negotiable. Scan every module for fault codes. Check turbo wastegate operation during the test drive. Listen for any unusual noises. Verify carbon cleaning history if it's over 40,000 miles. Pull oil consumption records. Missing service history means walking away. Period. The B9 S4 makes sense for exactly one type of buyer. Someone who understands German performance car ownership, has 4,000 annually for maintenance beyond basic service, and values the driving experience over reliability statistics. Budget buyers attracted to depreciated prices will get destroyed by maintenance costs. Best values hide in 2018 and 2019 models with complete service records. Avoid anything without carbon cleaning history past 40,000 miles. Consider certified pre-owned with extended warranty if you're nervous about turbos. Or lease a new one and let depreciation be someone else's problem. The B9 S4 delivers genuine performance and luxury, but it demands respect for its complexity and appetite for maintenance dollars. Know what you're signing up for, budget accordingly, and it rewards you with one of the best all-weather performance sedans money can buy. Ignore the warning signs and you'll understand why the previous owner sold it.